The back panel of the Sonodyne 110BT consists of a large heat sink. This helps to dissipate heat produced by the amplifier. This should not be covered during operation or immediately after shutting down the Sonodyne. The power switch is used for turning on power to the amplifier. The auxiliary connector is an EP socket. This accepts inputs from audio outputs of phones, tablets, and other devices with headphone outputs. The Bluetooth dongle connects to Bluetooth-enabled music players and phones and tablets. The RCA connectors are outputs that can be connected to an external subwoofer or even an amplifier, which in turn can drive speakers in other rooms. The USB port is handy in providing a charging port for Bluetooth devices and phones. The fuse is a protection mechanism.